Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy iodine tincture. First, always understand its uses and potential risks before purchasing. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's appropriate for your needs and to discuss proper dosage. Always check product labels carefully for the specific concentration and other ingredients to make an informed decision. Safety is paramount when dealing with any medicinal product. When you're ready to buy, always purchase iodine tincture from reputable pharmacies or trusted online retailers to guarantee product quality and authenticity. You'll typically find two main types: povidone iodine, often used as an antiseptic, and Lugol's iodine, which has different applications. Before completing your purchase, always verify the product's expiration date to ensure its effectiveness and safety. Selecting the correct concentration is vital. Common options include 2% or 5% solutions, depending on your intended use. Always follow the guidance of a healthcare professional for the right strength. Once purchased, store your iodine tincture properly in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to maintain its stability. Crucially, keep it safely out of reach of children and pets at all times. When applying iodine tincture, always follow the specific instructions provided on the product label or the advice given by your healthcare professional. Pay close attention to how your body reacts and observe for any adverse reactions, such as skin irritation or allergic responses. If you experience any unusual symptoms, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.